Um, is actually the payment section for this. Which I've done using VS Code today. I'll be using anti-gravity just because I like the article. Just anti-gravity is there. Like it's seems like I should not use anti-gravity. So this is actually the tip. Alright, I'll use VS Code. Then it thinks, oh, open the front end, just open the back end. Don't this thing did some kind of scanning. uh, let's check the live. Let's check the live. So we're live. Yeah. So some, let's see. Alright, so it has something to do with this amount of quarantine. Yeah. It's saying something about this malware gen. I'm not sure what it is. Hmm. I really, I really wanted to. Let me just restore and add exception. Okay, should be available now. Alright, let's see. Anti-gravity. It's available. It's just got removed from the. Okay, I'm gonna pin it. I'm gonna pin it again. I'm just close VS Code. Okay, where is it? It should be here somewhere. And anti-gravity. How do you use it? Normally there's an option to pin it. Why is this? Okay, let me unpin it. Pin it to start bar. Yeah. So I'm gonna just close this. Ensure that. Okay, that's running. And so these should be able to open. Cool. Okay. Okay, so I actually use Jira to manage this project. Give me a second. Step over it. Something is wrong. My PC keeps deleting anti-gravity, even though I had it as an exception. Is it hot? Tell you what, I'm gonna use cursor. Yeah, I'm gonna use cursor. I don't know what's happening in anti-gravity, but apparently my PC keeps quarantining it. Something's good, probably wrong. Because it just normally, when I add it as an exception, it would not remove it, right? At least that's my experience. I can open the. What is this? This is a back end, let's open the front end. The thing I don't like with these IDs is that they're very heavy. Okay. Okay, cool. Um, yeah. So I don't think I'll be using I'm just run the server. I don't think I'll be using the API in it or not the API, the agent. I don't think I'll be using the agent in it all because what I'm trying to do is, you know, kind of keep those muscles. I don't trust myself to use the agent. If I use the agents, I'm not going to do plan mode. I know myself, I ain't stupid. Right? Wait, is this the thing that I heard about where you could like edit certain things in the, is it this? Okay. I just want to turn this off. Mass quality and speed. Yeah, I want it to be in plan mode. I'm really thinking about getting it open. Because I don't know why cursor did that. Because I didn't ask for it. Alright, so today I'll be looking and coming up with a plan to integrate Potter. So we can open the Laravel natively supports Potter, or Laravel cashier supports Potter, so I should be able to use that to implement Potter actually. Should not be that complicated, right? Because the subscription and all that should be set up already for me. It shouldn't be that complicated to implement Potter in this project, I guess. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spend some time reading the docs. Should I leverage AI? I don't know if I should leverage AI or if I should just jump straight into it. Reading through the documentation. I did I did run this. I didn't. I don't think I ran this. Just to be sure. Well, should be. It would be in the API, right? If it didn't. Uh, voice. Okay. Yeah. So um, let's see. If only I could find that thing actually. What the hell is wrong with this? This thing keeps us disconnecting and connecting and disconnecting. What's going on with this? I guess it's mine. Do you see the streams? There it goes again. Connected again. No, it's okay. See here. Let's just put this at the top of this. This is gonna be the last thing that I'll be doing. There was one thing to add a few screens. Yeah, I think once I implement this, other than redesign bugs that may exist, I should be in a nice place with this screen. I sort of got part of. So, oh yeah, I was going to run this. Yeah, strictly for help them follow and just close all of these database migrations. Where were they? No, I didn't add them. All right. You know, let's average. Yeah, I think it will be stupid to noise there for this. Okay, this will work. So what I'm doing, okay, I was, harder. I need to mark ivory. That's there. And air now. There. Go. Handles. Descriptions. My Yes, it lives. It could actually. Yeah, that's a big problem with it. You can start from there. Let's try some question. Okay. Alright. So first we'll install that. First install cache package for Pada. Next you would publish these. Is it saying? Okay, go ahead and fetch your logs. Let's just, in the meantime, let's just run this command. What? Oh my God. Where migrations at? Can't tell. Oh, there. Okay. So we have, why do these have 2019? Hmm. Let's see what's being added here. 12 subscription items, subscription customers, subscription, subscription items, and transactions. Alright, let's see. What is this doing? Yeah, let's click here. Uh, I'm not ready to run it, does it? Let me just grab this first. I didn't ask you to edit, you know. Uh, wait, stop. And making changes here. Oh, not. Okay. I think we made any changes. Oh, I didn't have plan mode. Was it not the plan mode? Yeah, it was. Here it is. You had to plan to input wrong. This is why I love my easiest tools because it's hard to use and if I was never done some processing, it's never done for my PHP artisan or my grade just to create. You know, this thing is kind of confusing. We have a customer table. What is customer table contents? This is it. What is the customers table contents? It has the billable, the paddle ID, name, email. What is this? What? I don't get billable, type, paddle. I have no idea how to purchase. Because how would that be linked acting users? I don't get it. How would that be linked back to my users? So question. Alright, let's see. Um, as I said, for the subscription, API, implement Laravel cashier product persona. Okay, build plan, hold on. Let's just see the plan. The billable trait to use a configure for the AMP, create subscription, um, check quick control with checkout status swap, cancel update, payment endpoints. Hmm. Optional subscribe middleware, add request validation or returning JSON for the API customer. You know, that's a stupid plan. No, stop. Don't like this. Undo everything I did. Unbelievable. Okay, that's. I guess that's okay, actually. I just don't want you to write a code. I will. I will, because I need to ensure that you're not anything stupid. Alright, so I'll implement this. First thing first as well. Um, I just need to extend the build, right? Yes, I got an API. Let's see. Okay, it's just use build match in. No, I might just. Alright. Oh, we do have adjustment this here. We want to do add a comma there. And then like this. Very good. Um, so I add billable. Why is literally need to add here? See. Alright, so book model. Before using cache, you must add a billable. To your user model definition to perform common billing tasks such as creating subscription and updating payment method. Wait. Wait, is it a case that, but I don't get it, because looking at the table, right, I was thinking, let's see, paddle, paddle ID. Oh, oh, I think I might get it, maybe. I think it might be a case where the user, because paddle, the better ones that is, but how would I know whether or not the user is subscribed or what? See, API keys, another grab these. I'll need them anyway. I can't. Okay. I don't think it's safe to open this here, actually. So let me just hide my screen for a second, and I'm gonna paste these here. Then I'm gonna share about my screen now. Alright, so we went ahead and add those. The sandbox environment we should set it to part of JS relies on its JS library initiate called a checkout widget. So don't get this. You can load the JavaScript library by facing the JS part of it. I'm not using that, so would it does that mean it does not apply to me? You can specify a currency to be used when formatting money labels or to display invoices. Internally, cashier utilizes PHP number form as a class to set currency local. Hmm. In order to use locals or EM, ensure that the extensions is all configured. See, overriding before models. Okay, then we to do that. This is about products. Need someone to tell me how to do this shit. Because I'm not ordering anything. It's a subscription service. Do I need to have a subscription? Do I need to the subscription model there? Yeah, never implemented this before, so I don't even know what to do. Something weird is going on with OBS Ref. This tree keeps ending. I'm looking here, see if we can spot anything that might be causing it. Actually, I don't see anything that should be causing that. Is I think the up section. Hmm. Isn't it suspended? It's just in the task. Either way, since we're not using it. Alright, let's see. So what I was gonna do is CRS except in Bootstrap. And get this. I'm just see if anyone has an article on that. 1, 2, and 3, 9. Auto good description. Minor if that. Alright. Use part of a Laravel config guide I'm sure this created towards it there. Let's see. Get subscribe, use or subscribe, price money. Let's see what it is. But let's try Pada charge B on others. However, Pada offers more unique advantages that make it particular to growing business. Built for modern SaaS, unlike traditional payment processors, primary handle transaction. Pada operates as a merchant of record. This means they handle not just payments, but also tax management, legal things, and product integration to Laravel. See, Laravel's official support for part of the cashier is a significant advantage. This simple code handles creating a subscription, managing the customer account, and setting up web account tasks that would typically require significant more code with the provider's real-world benefits. From a technical leadership perspective, here are the tangible benefits. Reduce development time. The cashier package eliminates boilerplate code, common billing operation. Your team can focus on building core business features, lower maintenance, simplified as okay, I don't need to reach that. We do all of these. We get that. Make your model buildable. Implement a checkout flow. Why do we need a checkout flow function? All right, so we have um. So let's see. Start premium plan, and then that would get a checkout. Hmm. Where we can then one of the most important aspects of building systems is proper and then webhooks. There's a robust webhook setup, mm, events. Okay, so we have listen, we have cancel. Cool, 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 cool. And the subscription created user event builder, user event subscription. Are these something that we would create? Because I'm pretty sure that was not created. It is not events folder. Leap or so to speak. Yes, wait, I've never seen this before. That's another thing. I guess those would have to create. Alright, so let me try and understand. So making her, yeah, that's easy. That's so easy. So I have a subscription model called checkout, and this is basically what would happen where the person would be subscribed to, uh, I guess the data, basically. Not data, but the would be subscribing. I don't get it. We call it camera plan. Okay. Alright, so listen. Okay, okay, I get it. I get it. I get it. Get that. And the permissions. provision user resource. Provision resources for the new subscriber. Notify relevant customer success. Test your implementation. Uh, user factory. Create nothing as subscription create. Are these things added? There's no one saying, oh, you need to go to an add these. It's like, oh, you're supposed to know you should add that. I don't think it's here, but probably be the web. Yeah, it's not there. Oh, let's check the console. Nope, it's not there either. Yeah, it's not there. There's no freaking checkout or anything like that. See, nope, 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 nope. Nowhere it's there, bro. Response acting as uh, okay. Maybe I need to sit down and really think about this. Because it's my first time implementing this. I don't have any idea how to do this. I've never done anything. The closest I've been was with checkouts with Strut, and that's months ago. Yeah. So I don't really remember how to do it. Still have it using seconds, the pressure, but hmm, okay. Was this meant to be used on a iPad? Okay. Is it meant to be used on the iPad? Replacement? I think it should. You know? Um, I guess I'll have to just I'll probably dig into something. Alright, let's walk through this. Let's get the people and our pins. So I don't know the methods or the way that we could implement this, but I will use this article as a starting point for it. Everything's should be should be correct for the most part. Alright. So would make the user available. Implement a checkout flow. Here's a practical implementation of a subscription checkout. So this is when the person actually subscribes. So you'd want a flow where if the user subs, right? And then when the user subscribes, ignoring the code, because I don't know what this checkout is. I don't know what this, I know what return route is. I just don't get this checkout here. Right. Critical web handling. Okay, so here we have under subscription created. So basically, some else, whatever come on, subscription created again. I have a subscription created event, and then the subscription. It's not really deleted, but cancelled. So we'll have those two things. So that would, and this, yeah, so these are the elements. Um, dispatch, provision, user resources, dispatch. So this is a job that would basically say, hey, this user should be able to access these, you know, and I have notify, and this is just notification, basically. Implement your, test your implementation before going live. Yeah, when I test user can subscribe. Oh, so that's the whole thing. Right. Important production consideration. Webhook security. Ensure your web endpoint is properly secured. Um, to get the secret and learn more about it, visit part of webhook signatures, error handling, implement robust error handling for failed payments. Um, I even know. Really. I even know. I don't know what the hell's that. Alright, let's ignore that for now. Let's look at the implementation, right? So we need a few things. One, we need a subscription control, a checkout method. Create a session with a 14-day trial checkout session. What is this? Is it a part of it? Because I don't get how I would implement that part. So it's kind of bugging. Let's look at look at the graph. Do you give any suggestions? Maybe transaction. Let's look at the payments. Oh, right. Past and upcoming transaction. You may use last payment and next payment. Right. Here we have redirect invoice PDF and download. Alright. Transactions. You may easily retrieve an RFD with the model transactions via the transaction property. Transaction represent payments for your products and purchases accompanied by invoice. Payments for your products and purchases. On a computer transaction is stored in your application's database. When listing the transactions for a customer, you will use transaction instance method to display the relevant payment information. For example, you may wish to list in a table, allowing the user to easy. Okay, not really. What I'm actually looking for is charging for products, refunding single charges. Yeah, this is what I was. Yeah, this is what I wanted to understand. Um, because what is this checkout thing? If you like to initiate a checkout product purchase for a customer, you may use the checkout method on a bill instance to generate a checkout session for the purchase. The checkout uh, method accepts one or multiple price IDs if necessary, and associated may be used to provide quantity of the product that is being purchased. Okay. After generating a session, you may use user provided um, to user carefully the product checkout widget school. All the subscriptions. There's something on this about subscriptions. Now, past payments and component payments, and then we have subscription here. I need to test these. So I'm gonna do these. I'm gonna create a folder. Needs it on. Then I'm gonna do PHP artisan a folder the electronic and this subscription control. Alright, so now that that's added, right? Did I spell it right? What the hell did I just yeah, okay. I just need to control this subscription. Oh yeah, I need to add something there. So instead of controller, so that should be the namespace. I think that should be good. Yeah. And then you'd have there. So we want subscription. Where's search? I think in PHP and such. Right, so we would have that. No, let's go back here. Let's look at this and try this request. Okay, so we're going to say user model, right? So I'm just going to use Fusion. Auth User, see what is available. Um, what are these? This is not available again. Let's try and add a question. I think, is this really? Okay. Is there something that you'll be adding? Alright, let's set up the sandbox. Oh, I did talk about a webhook thing. I did talk about a part of the business. Okay. I guess I was just on this one. Well, not reading that. I was looking at these as well. Without without payment methods upfront. See, extend or activate a trial. You can extend a trial period on a subscription by invoking the extend trial method and specify the moment in time, or you may immediately activate a subscription by ending the trial and in each trial and call in the activate method. Oh, so the other trial. Oh, user create as custom. Trial ends at 10 days. See, I did not know this was there. Subscription trials with payment methods upfront. If you would like to offer trial periods to your customer while still collecting payments method information, you can use such trials to the dashboard. The dashboard operation. Make sure to check out section as long as. Okay, so we're gonna check out subscribe. Now these. Why is this? What does that mean? Where is this coming from? What does it mean? Is it a part of cashier? It is. Let's see something. Because I don't get where that is. I thought it was. Mm, Alright, let's see. Yeah. Am I? Let's see. Cashier. Uh, there's some. Maybe. I don't know if I look at Laravel. Okay, nothing intentional. What is this? Mm, see. No, no, I don't think I said. Oh, here is orientation. Oh, no, we said something. We go to the, I don't know. No, let's see. How long have I been on this? Okay, so I think it's time. I think I have enough context to be able to leverage AI. So let's try and do that. Um, to code AI, and I want to ask you about this. Right. Look, I'm not paying for anything, so I'm earn out of subs, quota gone. Let's go. Mm, if I were to, like it works here, right, it's black. Actually, what I say rather is, I don't care. One, two, three, and product in this, right up, like, product, with description, so API, um, I see this, but I don't get what primary one is. Is this something? Is something that I would create, or is it something that is built into Laravel? Yeah, here, gosh, I don't. As a person from Paradise, you would have to create in a Paradise. Oh, that's something. Okay, okay, that makes more sense. Okay, so that's something that I can't do that upstream. So I just go about editing and whatever. Alright, so how do I organize this? I will wrap this in catch, and then so that's the first approach. Um, now, so error there. Uh, cool. I definitely want. Okay, so we're gonna have a checkout or I'd call it a sub, right? Customize or maybe create. So it could be create since we're in a subscription model. We're gonna have a start. Well, function. Come on, you know it. Oh, create. Alright. I think I'll have to have a middleware as a that I needed as it. So let's start with a trend. I just since I need that here. Start a trap. So I think I should be able to do off using what was it? Method larval use. On this one, subscription trials with any fund. When the application receives subscription created upon cashier, will set the trial period ending date the subscription record within the application database as well as insert product to not begin billing until after this date. Wait, so why is this subscribe? So how would you let's do something. This is what trial ends at uh oh so I guess this is how you had us. Yes. Why should just someone if someone just subscribes and what like okay let's get this implemented as before we start really thinking about it. Hmm. So you are returning to home and then turn you and check on why is this always enters? Uh, I would just want to subscribe. So uh, I think if I do this, should I haven't put in the street as I'm missing prices. Oh yeah, I'd have to put something like 2 days. Like like 7 day trial. That should be good. The application saves the subscription created event. Cashier was set to track period and date. Okay. Okay, that's what else would I want to do after this? Hmm. Should I trigger Uh, this is actually way more complex than I thought it would be. There's a lot to think about, actually. Right, so it's not, let us come up with a design. Let's, let's come up with a plan before we do anything else. Alright. Hmm. That actually makes sense. Yeah. I need a plan though in terms of so how would the flow act? Let's think about it. When someone subscribes, right? There are two things that can happen. Or three things actually. The trial period, or you don't have a trial period. But in my case, I'm going to have a trial. Then we're gonna have a um so we can have a trial period, a monthly uh subscription fee, and a year subscription. Right. So those are the three things that could happen. Now, in terms of the flow, what normally happens is the monthly period would include a what you call a yearly period. No, would include a trial. Or when the user sign up, when the user signs up, they would know that okay, you're getting a 7 day uh, thing there, a 7 day subscription. So I think I'm gonna go from the row where the user would be getting a 7 day sub. So automatically, once someone signs up, they will get a 7 day subscription. Then when that 7 day ends, so I would need, instead of putting this trial, I'm thinking instead of putting this um, create trial inside here, I would create a service, because I would allow them to be able to, I'm gonna call it other service, maybe subscription service design interface PHP. Then in here, we're gonna do inter, maybe PHP interface, and then we're gonna use specific namespace. Yeah, okay. So scroll this with it. So we're gonna have a create file. Um, so public function picture user, and then gonna have a public Okay, and secure public function. What is the other function I would call? Create subscription. So I gotta find out this. Cancel. Mm, I have a cancel subscription. What actual? Hmm. Maybe I'll call this begin subscription. As a subscription. Um, so I have create trial or start trial. Start trial. And, yeah. Is that so walking through the process without a trial? Okay, so maybe WordPress user so yeah, we want the period or the what did Claude call it? Price ID. Yeah. Price ID. I don't know if you would also use this one. I'm sure this is user this these strings and I don't think it would ever be in, but yeah, I don't think it should be. It should always be a string. We'll accept the user modifier. Let's bring this in here. Right. I can't really think of anything else that would be needed because it's a simple subscription. Now the period. So this the price idea would cancel the period. So if you have like special subscription, and it can pass a user. So it doesn't really matter who the user is, where they're from. So you can always pass a user from the controller itself. So that's good. Yeah, I think I think that's it. Yeah. A part of subscription service. Um, it's gonna help us to namespace. Um, oh, native PHP and yes, thank you. Yeah, that, that, that should extend other nice uh, other some uh as some for the subscription. No suggestions? Why? Is it that is not such I don't need to expert in that. I've been in the job of JavaScript based ecosystem for a while. So I don't need to export it. It should just work. Uh, Should have a suggestions here. I've seen that. Since I'm not using the AI, I'm gonna go to VS Code. VS Code is the best thing to use for this. I have all my extensions set up in here, so that should work perfectly. Uh, Services here. I can see. Um, let's go another distributor. You get the server backup in here. What am I gonna go here? Hmm. What am I doing? What else? What did I do wrong? I guess it was something. Thought the method name was be too long. No suggestions. Ah, we import again. Was it use? Okay, yes, use. So use um uh, I'm not gonna use AI service interfaces. Why is it? Oh, I just signed for the subscription service. Blah blah blah. I don't know why this suggestion import public public function. So I don't know functions are we need. You know what? Let's go to this. Let's grab these items. Let's go here. Now we're gonna just drop them. And just remove that. Remove this. Do that. Do that. And remove this last one. Alright, I think this thing's making so it's gonna do that. Yeah. It's kinda slightly better, I guess. I just saying class extended from oh implement. Yeah. That's the reason why it was not working. Because it was looking for a class, but it was not a class. Yeah. It's just saying oh user is plus yeah, yeah. So that's pretty much it actually. I don't think we need any additional things from here on forth. Um, so let's just go to Laravel here. Let's see. So this is pretty much what is needed. So I just do as a speedy user subscribe, whatever. Okay, so I would have the trial. Now the trial, from my standpoint, I think the trial could be hardcore. It's not that. Just be a variable. Just do user. Use pints. Just like say, yeah, don't talk print unspecific files or directories. See if we have any issues. Okay, we have a issues. Yeah, okay. So we have an E now. You see? We have control all. We have all of it. But what I want to focus on is subscription. Fixed sometime later. Focus on subscription. So let's just run subscription. That's one of those. I think there's a way to add that third. Oh, you still okay. Okay, so that's fixed. The other one, this one. Because I want to fix this one. Did I just this one? Up, prepare subscription control. Oh, I think I did something wrong there. And I want to fix this one as well. So let's get the we're gonna add that as well. Fix. Okay, so the formatting is correct. Let's see. I don't know if I think it did some formatting. So let's see. So we did add some formatting, so that's okay. So I'll have to run that all the time. I don't want to update the rest of the fixes as yet because these are a part of. No, yeah, I don't want it to be a part of this push because when I'm pushing, then I'd have to figure out what did I do here, and what files did I edit, and all that. So I just want to focus on what needs to push, and then I'll do that. So we would implement this, right? What is return? Checkout. Returns a checkout. Interesting. So what is a checkout? What does it include? Let's checkout. Let's see if I can get it here. Checkout. Okay. I think we can get in here. Let's see. The custom data for the checkout. Do we have the subscribe? Subscribe. I guess I see AI. That's AI. Way faster. I would have to dig to it. Said good. Got some forum. Okay. Let's go. The checkout class return Marvel. That is a class from Marvel cache package that handles checkout process. Subscribe, checkout, return to common usage pattern. Oh, your get the checkout URL as a string, custom data, trial. These allow promotion codes. Oh, what does this? So we can do this. Wouldn't this? You know, because this one like just see the API. It's not documented for all of those methods in Laravel. I have to like look at the class. I don't remember how we get to that website. So I'll have to like try and dig through this myself. Let's see, part of customer here. Item, next, cashier, normalize, price ID, yes, customer, transaction, customer data, options, return to. Okay, so what is this? The URL the customer should be returned to after a successful checkout. So this just tells the URL. Would you see, I'm using API, so I can't return from the, like I did it before. I think I did it before. Iterable. I think I did it. It was in one of these. This